Hello and welcome back to the Marwitz garage. Actually, the Marwitz parking lot, really. I've finished the rebuild on the carburetors, and there's our lovely almost sort of kind of exhaust that I'll be hopefully actually using a wire welder on later with Matt, so we can get that all fixed up. So right now I'm just running these awesome stubby exhaust, I guess. It's definitely a thing. But I've got the truck hooked up to the battery right now. I'm gonna try to jump the car and hope it runs and hope I didn't break anything, and also it's really sunny out. So yeah, this should be fun. My awesome super monster can pouring device. It's a very precise instrument of justice. So let us see what happens. Here. Oh, yep. Oh no. Oh no. Nope, never mind. So that's good. That means it runs. Yay. Yay, Mad Dog. Yay. Don't blink at me, dog. He's blinking at me. Now he's blinking at you. Now he's licking himself. Okay. Continuing on. Let's get some gas back in here. Uh-oh. I think I have a loose gas line. Oh dear. Yeah, maybe I'll fix that before I try starting it up and start my car on fire again. I mean, you know, not that I've ever done that. Another thing to be on the lookout for. I don't know if you can really see it on there, but that thing is just smoking away. Looks like somebody, well, yeah, somebody switched to a digital ignition. Yeah, there you go. And sometimes when I decide to charge the battery, it starts smoking. So, you know, it's just something to keep an eye on. Anyway, turned out this was super freaking loose down here, the fuel return line. So, tighten that up and I'll probably mop up some of this gas yet before I try to start it, just because I really don't want to start this car on fire. So, we'll see what happens. And hooked everything back up. Let's see if we can get her to run. Woohoo! Dearie. Oh, that's a little loud.